Alrighty, bonjour, bonjour. Welcome to our distance learning today. Just a few reminders. Please adjust the volume as necessary. You can also pause or rewind this video if it is needed. Class, make sure you are participating fully. This is a review, so everyone needs to be giving 100%. Make sure that we follow the classroom rules, and just a general reminder, there's no hall pass, no phones, and no Chromebook unless it's for a specific activity. Today's I can is I can discuss my school life. So let's go ahead, open up your planners, and let's write down I can discuss my school life. If you don't have your packets yet, please get those. And when you're ready, we'll begin.
Every day has an hors d'oeuvre,
Je m'excuse.
a main course, the sauce, the cheese.
Alrighty, so I have this video. I'm going to share the link with you so that way you can watch it probably on your own time, because I'm guessing for the length of class we're going to need to be doing everything that we can. But this is a super interesting video, so again, I'll share the link with you and then watch it on your own time. I'll really quickly go over some of what you would see in it. So lunch in France is super different than here. Super, super, super different. Students have at least 90 minutes for lunch. Yes, 90, an hour and a half. Students can go home for lunch or they can eat at the school canteen. And school lunch is nothing like it is here. These are some very realistic examples of what you might get for school lunch. These look very similar to the school lunches that I got at the university. So your school lunch will consist of a starter. So for a lot of these, that is bread. Okay. They'll have a main meal. And also with their starter, in most of these photos, you see a side of some sort of vegetable. The main meal is the one on the biggest plate. Then they'll have dessert. And then oftentimes they will have cheese as well. You'll also notice they are using glasses and they just have water. They don't have little containers of milk and stuff like we do here. They have pitchers set out on the tables and glasses for students to fill up their water and drink out of it. Alors, tournez à la page 12, s'il vous plaît, dans vos paquets. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 12. Tournez à la page 12, s'il vous plaît. Okay, we're going to get our brains thinking right now by filling out this simple schedule, listing your classes, teachers, and the start and end times of each. So this isn't in full sentences. This is just listing classes in French, teachers' names, current bell schedule. This is the bell schedule for 2019-2020 up, and then any materials that you need for that class. Guest teacher, please pause this video and give students 5 minutes to complete this simple schedule on page 12. Again, pause the video and set a timer for 5 minutes. Ok, bien. Répétez, s'il vous plaît. Répétez les courses. La classe consultative. L'anglais. La science. Les maths. Le français. Or we can call it le cours de français. L'histoire. L'éducation physique. L'éducation familiale. La santé. La technologie. So that's keyboarding, digital literacy, coding, etc. L'équipe de scène. Stage crew. Répétez, l'aide de bureau. So these are the office aides, the people who bring around the slips to us to go to the counseling center. Répétez l'espagnol, le cours d'espagnol, either name works, le théâtre, le cours de théâtre, la musique, le cours de musique. If you're wanting to be specific, if you're with Mr. G, l'orchestre. And then if you are in choir, you can either use le chœur or la chorale. Alors bien, répétez l'art, le cours d'art, le CCA, la vide, le LIA. Premier, deuxième, troisième, quatrième, cinquième. Répétez G. Excellente. Répétez quel cours as-tu? So what classes do you have? This is how we answer this before. Répétez. Premier, j'ai les maths. Deuxième, j'ai la science. Troisième, j'ai le français. Quatrième, j'ai l'anglais. Cinquième, j'ai l'histoire. Good. Tournez à la page 13, s'il vous plaît. Tournez à la page 13. Okay, you are going to answer the question in full sentences in French. So right now we're just working on question number 1. Quel cours as-tu? Quel cours as-tu? Going to answer full sentences in French. I have your sentence frames here in red. Premier G, deuxième G, troisième G, quatrième G, cinquième G. Guest teacher, please pause the video and give students 3 minutes to work on the first question, Quel cours as-tu? On page 13 of their packet. Ok, bien. Tournez à la page 14. So we're going to practice for our speaking. So you need to ask and answer as many questions back and forth as possible before the time runs out. We're going to be doing this several times today during class. So I need everyone, when it is time to do so, quickly get back to back with a partner. And there's no being with the same partner twice. Whatever question you see listed on the left in orange is going to be the required question. That means it's the first question. You both have to ask it. You both have to answer it. After that, you can ask and answer any of the questions that are in gray. So if you want to take your packet with you, take your packet. You have 10 seconds to get back to back with a partner in the classroom. If you are the odd man out and there's no partner for you, you get to practice with yourself. So ask yourself a question, answer the question, ask yourself a new question, answer that question, and so on. So you have 10 seconds. 10, 9, 8, get back to back with your partner. 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Okay, turn around and face each other. Decide who's asking Quel cours as-tu first. Okay, go ahead, sit back down. Let me see if exit gets rid of this. Nope, désolé. Alrighty, return to your seats before I have our slideshow ready for you to go again. It was worth a shot, right? Okay, so how are we feeling? Ça va bien? Ça va comme ci, comme ça, ou ça va mal with quel cours as-tu? Okay, if you're not ça va bien, go home and study it. We've got to move on. Répétez pourquoi. Parce que, facile, difficile, amusant, barbant, intéressant, ennuyeux, divertissant, relaxant, nul, drôle. Quel est ton cours préféré et pourquoi? La science est mon cours préféré parce que c'est divertissant et facile. L'art est mon cours préféré parce que j'adore dessiner. Les maths est mon cours préféré parce que c'est facile et je suis intelligent. Excellent. You guys are smart. Let's go ahead, turn back to page 13, page 13. And now we're going to answer quel est ton cours préféré et pourquoi? Quel est ton cours préféré et pourquoi? Question number 2. You've got your sentence frame in red. You have 1 minute starting now. $20 seconds. Excellent. Flip your pack. Get over to page 14, page 14. We're doing éclair. This time, our required question is, you guessed it, the one we just practiced. Quel est ton cours préféré et pourquoi? You have 10 seconds to get back to back with a new partner. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0. Decide who's asking quel est ton cours préféré et pourquoi first. I should hear everybody talking right now. Okay, how are we feeling with favorite class and why? And let's get back to your seats fast. Ça va bien? Ça va comme ci, comme ça? Ou ça va mal? If you're not ça va bien, start studying it. All right, répétez. Sympa, sympa. Gentil, gentille. Intelligent, intelligente. Amusant, amusante. Sérieux, sérieuse. Énergique, énergique. Barbant, barbante. Drôle, drôle. Méchant, méchante. Divertissant, divertissante. Qui est ton prof préféré? Et pourquoi? Monsieur Dutton est mon prof préféré parce qu'il est drôle, est intelligent. Madame Eaton est mon prof préféré parce qu'elle est sympa et elle n'est pas barbante. Très bien, classe. Alors, page 13. Answer the question in full sentences in French. Question number 3. Qui est ton prof préféré et pourquoi? You got your sentence frame started for you on the right. You have 1 minute to get this written down in French. Trente secondes. Okay. Très bien. Page 14. We're playing a Claire again. This time, when we're asking and answering as many questions back and forth as possible before the timer runs out, our required question is Qui est ton prof préféré et pourquoi? You have 10 seconds to get back to back with a new partner. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Okay, turn and face each other. Decide who's asking qui est ton prof préféré et pourquoi first. Okay, let's return to your spots. Your assigned seats, not the one you want to be in. Okay, how are you feeling with favorite teacher? Ça va bien? Ça va comme ci, comme ça? Ou ça va mal? Okay, let's continue. Répétez, s'il vous plaît, une trousse. Un agenda. Un crayon. Un crayon gras. Un crayon de couleur. Un stylo. Un Chromebook. Un ordinateur portable. Une feuille de papier. Un classeur. Une gomme. Une calculatrice. Une règle. Un devoir. De quoi as-tu besoin pour la science? Pour la science, j'ai besoin d'un crayon, une calculatrice, un Chromebook et une règle. Page 13, s'il vous plaît. Turning à la page 13. Okay, we are to question number 4. Answer the question in full sentences in French. De quoi as-tu besoin pour les maths? So to answer, you're going to put pour les maths, j'ai besoin d'un or d'une. And your answer. This one, I'm apparently giving you 90 seconds on. So question number 4. $30 seconds. Dix secondes. Okay. Page 14, we're playing éclair. This time our required question is de quoi as-tu besoin pour les maths? You have 10 seconds to find a new partner and get back to back. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0. Okay, turn around face à face. Decide who's asking de quoi as-tu besoin pour les maths first. And then after that, it's any of the gray questions after you both asked and answered the orange. Okay, très bien. Return to your seats. How are we feeling with materials? Ça va bien? Ça va comme ci, comme ça? Ou ça va mal? Let's work on it till we're all ça va bien. Alors, répétez s'il vous plaît, commence. Termine. À quelle heure commence l'école? L'école commence à 7h50. À quelle heure termine l'école? L'école termine à 14h45. Excellent. Page 13. We're answering questions 5 and 6, full sentences in French, and you lucky ducks, you just get to copy down what is in red. So page 13, questions 5 and 6. Trente secondes. If you're already done, start memorizing. Okay, page 14, we're playing éclair. This time you have 2 required questions you need to start with. You both need to ask à quelle heure commence l'école, and you also both need to ask à quelle heure termine l'école. After that, you can ask as many of the other questions before the time runs out. You have 10 seconds to find a new partner that you have not worked with yet today. 8 secondes. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Okay, face à face. Décidez qui va commencer. Who's going first? Alors, retournez à vos places, s'il vous plaît. Asseyez-vous. How are we doing with time? Ça va bien? Ça va comme ci, comme ça ou ça va mal? Excellente. Alors, répétez premier, deuxième, troisième, quatrième, cinquième. Quand as-tu la science? J'ai la science cinquième. Quand as-tu le cours de musique? Je n'ai pas de cours de musique. So don't forget, when we don't have a class, je n'ai pas de. Alors, tournez à la page 13. Question 7. Quand as-tu le français? Quand as-tu le français? You're going to answer the question in a full sentence in French, and I bet you guys can do it in like 30 seconds. So, j'ai le français, premier, deuxième, troisième, quatrième ou cinquième. Quinze secondes. Okay. Page 14. Page 14. You have 10 seconds to find a new éclair partner. This time, our required question is going to be Quand as-tu le cours de français? 10 secondes. 8 secondes. 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Okay, decide who's asking first. Quand as-tu le cours de français? Okay, excellent. Retournez à vos places, s'il vous plaît. Retournez à vos places. Alors, ça va bien? Excellente. Répétez. Comment est l'histoire? L'histoire est facile parce que c'est intéressant. Comment est l'anglais? L'anglais est difficile parce que je n'aime pas lire ni écrire. Okay, so why is English hard? Good, because I don't like to read or write. Alors, page 13. Page 13. Don't hurt my feelings. Answer the question, full sentences in French. Question number 8. Comment est le français? Comment est le français? Vous avez 1 minute. 1 minute. Try and get extra details. Okay, if you put le français est superbe parce que j'adore Madame Carroll, you passed the class. Congratulations. Non, je blague. Alors, page 14. This time, our required question for lightning. Comment est le cours de français? Comment est le cours de français? After that, we can ask any of the other questions. Notice down here, de quoi as-tu besoin pour? That poor little thing has been neglected because it keeps on getting covered. So maybe do that one after you do comment est le cours de français. You have 10 seconds to find a speaking partner that you have not been with yet. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Face à face. Décidez qui va parler premier. Comment est le cours de français? OK, très bien. Retournez à vos places, s'il vous plaît. Comment est le prof d'éducation physique? Monsieur Roland est amusant parce qu'il est drôle et dynamique. Comment est le prof de cœur? Madame Slater est intéressante parce qu'elle est gentille et divertissante. Bien. Page 13. Page 13. Question 9. Comment est le prof de français? Comment est le prof de français? Be nice. Just kidding. You can be mean if you want. I'm not there to read it right now. I'll be mad at you later. Question 9. Comment est le prof de français? Vous avez 1 minute. Try and add lots of details. You can have more than one sentence as well. So think about all we've learned and how to get a 4. Vingt-huit secondes. Okay, you know what's next. Find a new partner you haven't been with yet today. Our required question, This time to start with is comment est le prof de français? Got 10 seconds to find your partner. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. You should be back to back right now. Turn around, decide who's asking comment est le prof de français first. Remember, you both ask, you both answer, and then you can move on to other questions that are listed in gray. OK, retournez à vos places. Alors, répétez s'il vous plaît. De quoi as-tu besoin pour les maths? Pour les maths, j'ai besoin d'un crayon, une calculatrice, un Chromebook et une règle. OK, page 13. Tournez à la page 13. Okay, so this time, instead of writing what we need for math, we're writing what we need for French class. So last question. De quoi as-tu besoin pour le français? So you're going to answer pour le français. J'ai besoin de, and then what items do we normally need in French class? A minute 15. Dix secondes. OK, très bien. All right, one more time. You know what to do. We're playing Éclair. You need a new partner you haven't been with yet. Is this getting tricky to find new partners? So the question is going to be de quoi as-tu besoin pour le français? After that, you can ask any of the grade questions. You've got 10 seconds to find a new partner. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0. De quoi as-tu besoin pour le français? Both asking, both answering, then your choice. Excellent. Retournez à vos places, s'il vous plaît. Okay, how are we feeling now overall? Ça va bien? Ça va comme ci, comme ça? Ou ça va mal? Okay, if we've still got extra class time, guest teacher, please show that video about school lunch in France to everyone. And then if there's still time after that, you can go ahead and pull up this screenshot and just have students practice for the rest of the time with their elbow partner asking and answering different questions in French. They can find those also on page 14 of their packet, or they just did a whole bunch on page 13 of their packet. Great job, guys. Enjoy the video. Keep practicing your speaking. You're awesome.